traditionally, chefs like to go at their hand like this. Hey team, Jet Tila here, and one of the things every cook absolutely needs to know is how to hone their knife. This is a steel. It keeps an edge sharp. Again, this is not sharpening, it's honing. An edge of a knife comes to a point just like this, right? And although this is the blade of the knife, the actual edge is just this tiny little bit that is on the end. And usually in a Western style knife, they come to two edges like so. So what we need to do as cooks, every time you use a knife in the kitchen, you need to pull the knife out, give it a nice wipe, and then take it onto a steel. And what you're trying to do is not trying to rub the steel on the actual edge, which is flat like this. What you're trying to do is angle that upper part slightly to catch that edge. And you want to do about 5 to 8 swipes on each side. Now, if you don't know exactly how to get that edge, take an iridescent marker, like a highlighter marker, and just rub that on the edge and kind of give it a little color. Bring that to the actual steel and then kind of guess to where you think you're grabbing it. And when you start rubbing the mark off, you found the edge. Congratulations. So 2 ways to do it. Traditionally, chefs like to go at their hand like this. If that makes you nervous, just take a towel, put it on your cutting board or your station, and then go this way. That way you're not honing towards your body, which keep things very safe. All right, chef's knife, traditional 6 to 10 inch chef's knife. You want to grab all the way from the end of the knife here to the tip. That's easy. Paring knife is a lot shorter. Sometimes these are 3 to 5 inches. Same way, exactly, or you can go this way if it makes you feel more comfortable. You can actually hone your serrated edge, which is has these little scallops here that's good for cutting bread or cutting tomatoes. What we're going to do here is a little different. Because these are little scallops like that, we're going to grab the scallops and then on the little round part of the steel. So you just want to go back and forth until you get all your scallops, just like this. And then finally, you want to go flat against the other way. So scallop, 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 scallop. It's kind of a dance, isn't it? It's like scallop, 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 flat. There you go. Well, that was Knife Honing 101, one of the things that I think every cook needs to know. Thanks a lot. It's Jet Tila. We'll see you later.